Beyond the edge of the horizon, I feel the urge to soar.
I'm ready now to spread my wings. Adventures at my door.
I feel the rhythm of the air.
It's cold but welcoming.
Gliding through the clouds above, I fly so high I can see.
Through it all, a great horizon awaits. Through it all, my future illuminates.
So go discover the wide world and revel in the newness. Listen to the wind's old song and dance amidst the blueness.
When we fail,
We learn to glide. When we lose, we gain our pride.
every day we have to fly.
Today we're low, tomorrow high.
Through it all, a great horizon awaits. Through it all, a future illuminates. So sound your voices.
Guide those who are hopeless.
We can fly together.
Because birds of a feather,
We make it better. Through it all, a great horizon awaits. Through it all, a future illuminates. A future illuminates. Through it all, a great horizon awaits. Through it all, my future